Nintendo, obviously, they have the Switch product, which isn't changing anytime soon. Wildly successful product. This new accessory for it blew my mind. I promise you, it actually blew my mind. Well, it didn't blow my mind, but it did blow my mind in the sense that I'm still sitting here and healthy and able to do the show.
Right.
That said, I've wanted this technology for about 1 billion years. And this technology is capable of charging your controller and Joy-Cons without touching anything.
Oh.
Over the air.
That's great.
That's the future thing. Remember, there were the prototypes with the Tesla, and maybe it can just drive in the garage and wirelessly the power can transmit with no cable. It wasn't. I didn't think Tesla ever showed it off, and I think it was underneath because we're talking so much more power. But apparently, Will, this thing for your Joy-Cons, you take the controller, you place it in front of it, and the light turns on, and the power starts
interesting
moving through the air.
This technology came from Joy-Cons and not like phones or something.
Well, I know, I'm sure they've been experimenting and testing it elsewhere, but I don't know why this becomes the first major candidate. I know I've seen it demonstrated elsewhere, but the Joy-Con thing is a bit of a nightmare, charging the Joy-Cons. You slide into the dock. They have to go back onto the main unit. And it's just, I don't know, it's a whole process. Whereas if you're mostly a couch gamer and you have them in this configuration, like as a controller, you don't want to be sliding things out or plugging them in independently or whatever. I don't know. I'm sure that these controller units have a way of doing it. If you do choose to use a wire, that's probably not terrible. But this, I like the proof of concept. There's a little video actually below that you can click on. Say goodbye to docking your Joy-Cons to recharge them. PowerCast's latest wireless charger makes it possible to refill your Joy-Con controller batteries without a physical connection using their new wireless charging grip. The system works by means of a wireless power transmitter called PowerSpot. The controllers fit inside the wireless charge grip. The grip automatically receives power when placed within a certain proximity of the transmitter. Just proximity.
Cool.
And the way that you know that you're charging, it works up to 1 foot away. The way you know you're charging, you see a nice indicator light to let you know, because I was worried about that. I'm like, you don't place it perfectly. So this may be even better than the actual wireless charge platform because you just place it in front, which is obviously a very natural thing to do. Apparently it's on Amazon. You can get up to 26 hours of continuous gameplay on a single charge. I love seeing technology like this, especially from an accessory manufacturer. Of course, take it for what it's worth, Will, because I haven't tried it out. And I'm just going based on the concept and not necessarily the reliability, long-term durability, all these other things, which I would love to try out for myself and hopefully will soon.